Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. So let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The name of the problem is Concatenated Words. The problem number is 472, which comes under hard. Okay, so it's a string problem. Given an array of a string word without duplicates, return all concatenated words in a given list of words. So what does concatenated words means? So it is defined as a string that is comprised entirely of at least two shorter words in a given array. Okay, so what does this mean? So there will be a two words together. We will form one word. So that is the meaning of concatenated words. Okay, let's understand this by solving example. So we are given here example, which is cat, cats, cats, dog, cats, dog, dog, cats, dog, hippopotamus, cat, cat, rat, cat, dog, cat. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take each word and we have to divide every word, and we have to see if it is there in this string array. So this is a string array. So this is a string array. So we have to see each word. We have to take each word and we have to see if a substring of this word is there or not. I hope you got it. Let's solve this example here. Okay. So we are given here cat. So if I divide cat has substring has CA and T. Is CA and T there in this string array? No. We can divide this by this also. CAT. Is there any string there? Is there any string available in this string array? No. So what we can say here, the cat cannot be a possible output for this question. So we will remove cat. Now we will see here another word is cats. Okay. So what does this mean? So we have to divide this into substring. Let's say we divide it by cat and another word is S. Is there cat in this string? Yes, there is a cat. But S is there here? No. So for this mean we cannot use this substring. I hope you got it. So this both cannot be used now. Let's see for another thing now. Let's see for this. Now see for cats, dogs and cats. So let's take cats. We will take this guy only. So we have another word here, cats, dogs and cat. So let's assume we make a substring from here. We divide substring here. So now the word will be cats and another word will be dog and cat together. There are two words here. Is this word there in this is this word is there in this sub array, this string array? Yes, this is there here. So this is valid. So this is valid, and we have found it here. This is valid. Does dog and cat we have here? We have dogs and cat. No, there is no word together dogs and cat. So what we will do, we will take this substring and divide it further, and we will divide it further by, now after taking each subarray, we will do this by dog and another word is cats. Is dog there in this string array? Yes. Where? It is here. And we have found this guy also. Is cats there in here? Yeah, we have cat which is here. So this is also right. So we have totally three substrings together making a word, which is this guy. So here in this question they told here you should have at least two. So we have here three. So this is a valid option. Okay. Now let's take for dog. So if we take full string here, dog is there. But in the question they told we have to have at least two. So if we divide dog, D and OG, differently. So I don't think so D is there, OG also not there, so this is not valid. So output will be this guy, only this guy for now. So let's see another. Let's take dogs, cats and dog. Okay, let's take this guy now. Let's take this guy. So we will divide first dog here. We will make a substring for dog. We will make a substring for dog, and we will have another word which is cats and dog. Is this dog available in this string array? Yes. Where is this? Here. So this is a writing. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will further divide this guy. So the cat's dog is not there. So what we'll do, we will further divide. Where we'll divide? We'll divide here. So another option will, another string, another subarray will be, so another substring will be cats and dog. So which is, this cat is there in this string array? Yes. Where? Here. Does dog is here? Yes, here. So this is a valid word for concatenated string. So they told we have to find a concatenated word. So this one is also a valid. Let's see for hippopotamus. Is hippopotamus is any subarray? So we can see like this only. There is no substring for this guy. So we will just reject this guy. We will just reject this. So we have found till 2. So let's see for this now, these two guys. So now we have rats and rat, cat, dog, cat. So as we can see, rat is only one word, one word. So if you divide it, we can't find anything here. So which is also rejected. Let's see for this guy now. So what we'll do, we will divide right here, and we will make another substring right here. Cat will be there, dog will be there, and cat will be there, which will be 4 substring to make this word. So which is all there. Rat is there here, cat is there here, dog is also there here, and cat is also there. So this is also a valid word for concatenated string. So how many do we have? 1, 2, and another one is 3. Cats, dog, cats, dog, and rat, cat, dog, cat. So we are getting output as this guy. I hope you understood this problem. So let's solve this problem by coding. So should I use IntelliJ for this guy? Yeah, we will use IntelliJ. Okay, we will use IntelliJ here. It will be easy. First, what we have to do? First, we have to have, we will do here, we will make it here. What we have to do? We have to have a set array. So there is no duplicate here. So without any duplicate, so we will create a set of string. Okay. So we will name as s only. So for our convenient, and we will set this as new hash set. Okay. So I will just import it. Okay. After that, I have to give a output which is list string. So which is always here. We have to give output here which is listing. So we will create here list and string. Okay, and I will name them as answer and new array list. Okay, I have created answer and I have created a set. So what I have to do, I have to put every word, of this into the set array. So what I will do here, I will iterate to the array. So for string word from words, we have to iterate to array and we have to go and add a word. Okay, so what we did here, till here we created a set, here and we added to the set array. We added every word of this into the sets. Okay. After that, what we have to do? We have to iterate to the array and we have to find if it is a concatenated word or not. So what we'll do for string word words, and we have to see if. So we will make a method like check method. Check is this concatenated or not. So what we will give output? We will give an output for, we will make an output for word, comma, and we will give a set also. Okay. So if that is true, then what we have to do? We have to go and add that to the string, answer string. Okay, and then we have to give a output return. We have to give a return answer. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to create a method for check. So it should be public static. It should be true or false. So we will do boolean check method of a string. I will name them as word only. So, and I have to create a set string. I hope you got it till here. What I did, I just created a method. So what I did here, I just added the set here and I iterate to the array and I checked if it is concatenated, then just add it to the answer string, answer list, and just return it here. So we will now make a method, a main algorithm will come here. So what we have to do? We have to iterate to the array for int I equal to 0, I is less than the words length I plus plus. Okay. Now what we have to check? So what we have to check? First we have to make what did we did here? Starting what we did what we did here, we divided every one. So what we will do here, we will just divide this equation by from 0 till I. So we have to do start from 1. So we will make a substring for each and every value. So string. Okay. So we will say prefix equal to. So what we have to do? We have to start from 0 till I. So word dot substring starting from 0 till I. Okay. So in this equation, what will be that? So we will start from C, and this is another string, and we what we'll do here. So assume we have here. It's not running. Let it be. So we have cat here. Assume. So first we will make a substring of C and AT. Then we'll keep on dividing it. I will tell you how we can do it. So we created a substring of C first. Let's take a word C here. We created a substring of C now. So we'll create another substring, string suffix, and we will name start from word dot substring. Where it will start? It will start from I till the length of the word. So word dot length. Okay. Now what we have to check? If this prefix contained in the contains in the set value. Okay. So what we will do, if s dot contains prefix, then what do you do? We have to go and add. So before that we have to check. We have to check both the thing here. We have to check dog also, we have to check cat also, and dog also here. So what we will do here? We will do here, let's take example here. So what we will do, we will rub this guy and we will understand what I'm doing here. So what we will do here, so we will make dog has one, we will make dog has a prefix. So it will go and check the set value, which is this guy. So it's this there, yes. So what he will do, it is true here. Now what I have to check, I have to check rest of this, which is cat and dogs. Is this set there in this variable? No. So it should be false, right? But we are getting true. So now what we will do, we will go and we will divide again this guy. So how we will do this? So it should be, and then both should be true. So this, so any one condition. So if we had dog and cat, it's already there cat, so it will be true. So if we had only dog and cat and we divide it here, so prefix, this is prefix and this is suffix, so this both are there in set value, but in this case it is divided here cats and dogs, so we have to divide it again. So what we will do, we will give suffix again to the check value. So what I am doing here, first I will check if suffix is there, suffix is there. So if it is not there in the container, I will check again if this word is divided again. If it like this here, if we divide this word cats and dog, then we will find it is there. So what we will do here, we will have OR function and we will recurse it again that word to the this method. So what we will do, we will do suffix and s. Okay, so if that is there, then we have to return true. Okay, if that is not there, then we have to directly return false. Okay, let's run and see if there is some error. I have already added this equation. So we are getting here cats dog, we are getting cats dog and dog cats, and we are getting all three equations. Just we'll copy this guy and we'll paste this. I hope you got each and every line here of this code. So just comment if you want a dry run of this. I will just dry run and I will give it to you in GitHub. So I will just copy this guy. I just remove this. I don't want this. I will copy this guy and I don't need. Yeah. So I will go and paste it. Okay. Okay. So we will run this. Yeah, it's getting passed and submit, and let's see. Yeah, it's getting submitted. So I hope you got this equation, this code. If you have any doubt regarding this code, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you find this video useful, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will be great help. Thank you. Bye. Keep coding.